Hello students, in this video I am going to show you how to access your teacher's new Google Meet links, and these Google Meet links will be the ones that are used from now until the rest of the year. So to begin, the first thing you will want to do is you will want to make sure that you have opened up your Google Chrome browser. From your Google Chrome browser, you will select the waffle in the top right corner, and you will scroll down on the menu until you see Calendar. So this is your Google Calendar. Once you have selected your Google Calendar and it is opened, you're going to want to take your mouse and hover over your initial in the top right corner and make sure that you are in your Low Country Virtual account. If you are not in your Low Country Virtual account, just simply click on the Google account and switch to your Low Country Virtual account by selecting it. Once you have accessed the Google Calendar in your Low Country Virtual account, you may see some calendar events already on your calendar. So to accept your teacher's calendar invite, what you will want to do is you will want to select on the first event that you see. So I have a homeroom here. I'm going to select that homeroom and I am going to click yes. And then you can select all events and click OK. So now you have added that event, all of the events for that specific class, which is the homeroom class, to your calendar, and it will be on your calendar from the start date of next week until the last day of school. So you're going to do that same exact step for the rest of your classes. So you're going to select the course and click yes, and then select all events and click OK. So I'm going to finish up those steps with the rest of the courses. So now if I change my view to the monthly view, you can see that all of those events are now in your courses, or in your calendar, in your calendar. So for each event on your calendar, you will get a 10-minute notification prior to the start of the meet. And when it is time to join the meet, you can simply select the event and click Join with Google Meet. To quickly access your Google Calendar anytime you may need it, I highly recommend starring the Google Calendar and adding it to your Bookmark tab. To do this, you simply select the star in the top right corner, and you can select Add Bookmark, and you can just title it Calendar, and click Done. If your bookmark bar does not show up, then you can hit the vertical 3 dots and go to Bookmarks and select Show Bookmarks Bar. So now your calendar will always be in your bookmarks bar. In addition to using Google Calendar for your class schedule, you can also add your assignment due dates to your Google Calendar, so you have it all in one as a calendar. The way that you can do that is if you go to open up a new tab and go to Canvas and select Calendar. On the calendar, scroll down and where in the bottom right hand corner, select Calendar Feed. You are going to copy this URL by double clicking We're triple clicking on the URL for it to highlight the entire text, and you can right click or copy, or click the mouse pad with 2 fingers and select copy. Then you're going to go back to your Google Calendar. Make sure that you're still in your Low Country Virtual Google Calendar by hovering your mouse over the initial in the top right corner, and then selecting the plus sign beside other calendars in the bottom left-hand corner. Select from URL from the menu. Then you're going to paste that URL. So you can click the mouse pad with 2 fingers and select paste. And then you're going to select add calendar. It will take a minute to load, but if you notice in the bottom left-hand corner, this is the calendar. So I'm going to click the arrow beside settings to go back to my calendar. And now you can see at the top, these are some assignments the student may have due on these dates. I hope this tutorial helps, and as always, please reach out to your teachers if you have any additional questions, and thank you for joining.